Hi guys, this is Rudra Prasad from Indian Tech Academy. In today's video, we are going to start a series of videos on marketing management, and this is going to be a very good series of videos. And now we are going to talk about what is marketing. There are different definition about marketing. So marketing is all about identifying and meeting human and social needs. So there are two kind of needs. One is human need and one is social need, and we'll cover about all these needs, need, want and demand topic in the next video, which is about the core marketing concept. The marketing videos were going to taught by Mr. Shiv Prasad Thakur. In the next couple of videos he will be teaching you marketing. Guys, this is the first video and I will be teaching you marketing, and I will be giving you a basic information and basic definition about the marketing concept. What is marketing? Marketing is identifying and meeting human and social need. There is a very short definition of marketing that I can found, that is meeting needs profitably. So marketing is all about finding the needs of the consumer and using and meeting the needs of the consumer in a profitable way. There is another definition, guys, I found, that is American Marketing Association definition. In that definition, it was described that marketing is a set of activity, a set of intuition, and the process of creating, communicating, and delivering, exchanging offerings that have value for the customer, client, or partner. And guys, there is a marketing process here, that is creating, communicating, and delivering, exchanging the offerings. Okay, so what is marketing management? Now you guys know about marketing, and now we'll be talking about marketing management. So what are the things that is going to be managed in marketing? So marketing management is the art and science. It is both art, it is kind of art, and it is also a science. So it is art and science of choosing target market. So here you have to choose the target market, and keeping and growing customer through creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value. Okay, so here you have to find out the needs of the customer, and according to the need of the customer, you need to create, deliver, and communicate the value to the customer. So now we'll be talking about what are the things that is going to be marketed. There are different kind of things that can be marketed, but it is basically divided into 10 types of things. The first thing is, the 10 things are goods, services, events, experience, person, place, properties, organization, information, and ideas. So let's go through all of these, and I will be giving you examples of all these topics. Let's talk about goods. So what are the goods? Goods are the physical things like laptop, electronics, mobile phones, fridge, TV. All these comes under goods. So goods can be marketed in the market. What is market is a place where people can buy and sell things, and goods can be marketed. And other things is services is most important part of marketing, and it is very useful in economic advancement, and it has a growing proportion. What are services? Services are the for example, doctors provide health services, and engineers provide repairing services, and airlines, hotels, if you are renting your house, or if you have hotel rooms and you are renting them. So these are all comes under services. Now we'll be talking about events. Events are also events like Olympics, World Cup, cricket match. All these are events. And if you talk about wedding ceremony, and birthday ceremony, all these are events. And there are also event management companies that are dealing with these events, and they used to market the events also. So now we'll be talking about experiences. Experience is also a kind of thing that can be marketed. For example, you are doing a job in some company, like if you are doing a job in Asian Paints company, but you want to shift from Asian Paints to Berger. So now here your experience matters. You have 10 years of experience in the in the Asian Paints organization. Now you want to shift from one organization to other. So here you are marketing your experience from one company in one company to another company. So there are persons are also marketed nowadays. For example, like artist, musician, CEO, physician, and lawyers are also marketed. So persons can be also marketed. And the next thing that can be marketed is place. For example, you are living in cities, states, regions, and if you are living in a, for example, like I live in Jaipur right now, and the main example of Jaipur is marketing its tourism places. Like it has so many forts around here, and the city is also known as Pink City, and there are so many traditional things of Jaipur, and all these things are attracting the tourist from other countries to Jaipur. And that is how a place is marketed. For example, like if you talk about if you talk about different the four dhams of India, like the Puri Dham and other dhams are there. So here the place are marketed. So now we'll be talking about properties. So what are the properties? Properties can be like financial property, real estate property, and these can also marketed. And if you talk about financial properties, for the financial properties are like stocks and bonds, and these are also marketed in the marketplace, like BSE, Sensex, and other things. So now we'll be talking about organization, how organizations are marketed. Organization, for example, like school, college, museum, and other things. Marketing is also done in organization also. So now this is, guys, you know that this is the digital age and information age right now, and information is also marketed nowadays. For example, like data services and the internet data, and mobile services. These are the information services that are marketed right now in the market. Now there are also things like database are also marketed. For example, email database, mobile phone database, customer database are also marketed right now. So the another most important thing is ideas are also marketed. How ideas are marketed? For example, like I have some ideas about something, and I'm like companies are spending much and much, so many of their revenue, and so many of their income in the for generating new ideas, because in today's marketplace there are so many competitors around, and to stand out in between a crowd of competitors, we need some good ideas about something. So the companies are spending so many money. So companies are spending so many money for getting good ideas about something. So now the other thing is that the other thing that we'll be talking about is who is a marketer, and what is a marketer, and what is a prospect. So a marketer is someone who seeks response, attention, purchase, a vote, or donation, or something. So marketer is a person who seeks the attention, the response of something. Okay. And the other party who gives the response, or who shows the response, like I have some need, and I am showing that I have some need. Like the person, like the consumer or the person who shows the need, is a prospect, and the marketer is a person who identifies the need, and who can identify the need from the responses that a prospect is giving. So prospect is basically the consumer, and marketer is basically the guy who find out the needs of the customer. Okay. So marketers are basically skilled at stimulating the demands for their product. For example, I am a marketer, and I am very skilled about stimulating the demand of my product. For example, like I have a product, and a marketer is well known because he can stimulate the need, stimulate the demand in the customer's mind. So I hope, guys, you have got a basic idea about marketing and other stuffs. In the next video, Mr. Siprasad Thakur will be talking about core marketing concept and what is core marketing concept, and the next video is going to be very important concept. And guys, keep in touch, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, so that you will be notified when our next video will be coming up. I hope this video has given you better intuition about all this marketing topic, and thanks for watching, guys. And this is Rudra Prasad signing off.